Hi y'all, this is Linda. Welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today I'm going to make a vegetable chicken one-pot casserole. Now I already got started, and in this bowl I've got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1.5 cups of sour cream. I've got some Tony, Chachere's spicy seasoning in here. I got about a tablespoon of it. 1 small can of mushrooms, and I'll see if I need more. About 1/2 cup of cheese, about a teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, and a little over a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And I'm gonna stir this up. In the meantime, I've boiled 6 chicken thighs because that's all I had. But if you have more than that, if you got breasts, use those. But use whatever you like, you know. I like thighs, but for this dish it's really good with breasts. And I don't have those in here yet. Or my 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. I don't have those in here yet. Alright. Let's see. These mixed vegetables were frozen. I mean bad. So I'm trying to get them unthawed, but they're not thawing out very soon. I'll tell you what, I'll bring you back when I get my chicken cut up. Alright, I've got my 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables, which is carrots and green beans and corn. I think that's all. And here's 4 of those chicken thighs. I'm going to put those in. Here, Sammy, will you take this?
Take it where?
To the sink. Alright, now I'm going to stir these in. Preheat your oven to 350. This is going to be a lot like another casserole that I made. But this is going to have more vegetables and meat in it. Alright, now let me get my casserole dish here. Excuse me. I'm going to spray it. about out. Get another one. I added some salt and pepper to the chicken broth. Alright, that's enough. Now, I've got a bag of noodles. And this is 4 cups of noodles, but I'm only going to use 2 cups. Say that's 2 cups. Maybe a hint more. Yeah. Now to that, I'm going to add 2 cups of the broth from the chicken that I added salt and pepper to. Now I'm going to start adding this wonderful sauce. Ooh, well, can't see, can you? This is a lot more chicken and stuff that's going in here. But we're going to put it all in. Almost got it all. Now I'm going to take a sleeve of butter crackers and I'm going to crush them and put them on top, and then put 4 tablespoons of melted butter over that. I'm going to put it in the oven, and because I've got so much more ingredients in here, I'm going to start out with 30 minutes, and it may take more. But I'll bring you back when we get through. Let's see. Here's my casserole with the butter crackers. Here's my 4 tablespoons of butter going on. And that's it. Now, it's going into your preheated oven at 350. And we're going to start at 30 minutes. And do not remove this casserole. It's done when the middle is bubbling. And we'll be back. Our casserole is done. And it took mine 45 minutes. So I'm about to put some on a plate for Sam. Oh my goodness. Now as it cools, it'll thicken. It's very hot right now. There's his plate. I'm going to let it cool just a bit and let him come eat it. Let's see, let me get it in here closer. It looks delicious, y'all. Sammy? Oh, that looks so good. Let me get in there closer. All those vegetables. It looks wonderful. I'll bring you back. Alright, here's Sammy. He's going to taste it for us and tell us what he thinks.
Well, it's a rough job, but somebody's
got to do it.
Has it cooled off a little?
Some.
Well, still pretty hot, but it's delicious. Kind of like a chicken pot pie or something.
I guess it is. It must seem like one.
All the vegetables are good. Chicken's good. It's delicious. They'll like that.
Well, alright, y'all. This is my chicken vegetable 1-pot casserole, and Sam says it's good, and y'all trust him. So, I hope you try it, and I hope you love it. Thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it. Until next time, you all take care. The recipe will be below. God bless every one of you.